There is a charming tradition observed by the Adelie penguins. Once a year during the mating season, all the male birds gather on the Antarctic beaches, and there each selects an extraordinary pebble. With Pebble in hand, each male presents his precious gift to the lady he most desires. If she accepts it, they mate for life.
One perfect pebble,
just one humble stone. But oh, what a stone can do.
it means that I have one love forever.
And one love alone, on now and forever with you. Now and forever, I'll show her I care. I'll find her the rarest stone. And maybe if the pebble is perfect, she'll tell me right there. She's now and forever my own.
Hey, how about you, Hubie? You got a pebble for your girl?
Well, you know, it's, not really.
Now and forever, we'll do like birds do. We'll cuddle and coo and kiss. We'll have a little world where whatever we dream of comes true. And now and forever in bliss.
Oh, this is all just so exciting! So romantic!
Knock it off. Romance has nothing to do with it. Listen.
You know, I don't think a pebble should be that important.
Marina, if you don't care about the pebble, how will you choose?
How will you know if it's Mr. Right?
I will know when, Gwynne, 'cause it's not the pebble, it's the Now and forever, his heart will be true. That's how I'll know who he is. No matter if his pebble is clever or borrowed or blue, I'll now and forever be
Do you take this pebble?
now and forever,
Do you take this penguin?
now and forever.
Do you?
I do.
We will grow old together, cozy and cold together.